As an Australian expat, it's really important that you understand what your tax obligations are with the Australian Tax Office. Now, this is usually based on your tax residency status in Australia, as well as the source of your income. Now, to understand what your tax residency status is, this is usually a process that you'll work with an Australian tax accountant to determine, who will look at the relevant factors of your situation and make an assessment as to whether you're a resident or a non-resident for tax purposes. If you're a non-resident, which is usually the case for Australian expats, this is where your tax obligations will change and the source of your income becomes quite important. If the source of your income as a non-resident Australian expat is coming from overseas, generally that income is no longer subject to tax with the Australian Tax Office. If you do still have Australian sourced income, whether that be income from property, shares, cash, or term deposits, each of those assets have different tax obligations with the Australian Tax Office, and there will be a degree of taxation on the income that you derive from those assets. If you do have any questions, feel free to let me know.